Arcoxia tablets have anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antipyretic effects. Indications: symptomatic therapy of the following diseases and conditions: osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, pain and inflammatory symptoms associated with acute gouty arthritis, therapy of moderate and severe acute pain after dental surgery. How to take, course of administration and dosage. The drug is taken orally, regardless of food intake, with a small amount of water. In osteoarthritis, the recommended dose is 60 mg once per day. The daily dose for osteoarthritis shall not exceed 60 mg. In rheumatoid arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis, the recommended dose is 90 mg one time per day. The daily dose for rheumatoid arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis shall not exceed 90 mg. In acute gouty arthritis, the recommended dose in the acute period is 120 mg one time per day. The daily dose for acute gouty arthritis shall not exceed 120 mg. The duration of use of the drug at a dose of 120 mg is now more than 8 days. The lowest effective dose shall be used for the shortest possible course. The average therapeutic dose for pain syndrome is 60 mg once. Acute pain after dental surgery, the recommended dose is 90 mg one time per day. In the treatment for acute pain, Arcoxia shall only be used during the acute symptomatic period, limited to no more than 8 days. The daily dose for pain relief after dental surgery shall not exceed 90 mg. In patients with hepatic insufficiency, 5 to 9 points on the Child-Pugh scale. It is recommended not to exceed a daily dose of 60 mg. Contraindications: do not take Arcoxia if you have an allergy to Arcoxia, you have had heart failure, a heart attack, bypass surgery, chest pain, angina, narrow or blocked arteries of the extremities, peripheral arterial disease, a stroke or mini stroke. You have high blood pressure that is not well controlled on blood pressure medication. You are having major surgery and have conditions which increase your risk of coronary artery disease or atherosclerosis such as high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol or smoking. You are having major surgery on your head or arteries. Use during pregnancy and lactation. The drug is contraindicated during pregnancy and lactation. The use of the drug may adversely affect female fertility and is not recommended for women planning a pregnancy. Special instructions: taking the drug Arcoxia requires careful monitoring of blood pressure. When prescribing the drug, all patients should monitor blood pressure during the first 2 weeks of treatment and periodically thereafter, given the increased risk of adverse effect with increasing duration of administration. It is necessary to periodically evaluate the need to continue taking the drug and the possibility of reducing the dose. During the period of treatment, care must be taken when driving vehicles.